Hello and welcome. You're watching Informed Investor, brought to you in association with the National Stock Exchange. I'm Sumaira Aati. Well, multitasking has become a way of life for us. Most of us try to wear several hats. The struggle is to do it all at once. So today, in this episode, we're meeting with a bunch of women entrepreneurs who have worn several hats very successfully for a long period of time, and we're now here to help them with their investments and financial planning. Today we have two very special guests with us, amongst the best and brightest financial minds in the industry. We have Mr. S.P. Tulsian and Gaurav Mashruwala, who will be more than happy to take all your personal queries.
I'm Sonam Modi. I'm a fashion designer. I deal into ethnic Indian wear and my main forte being bridal wear. I started my business 4 years back. One of my main starting points of my career was my launch at the Lakme Fashion Week, the debut that I had back in 2009, and I started supplying to all the leading stores of India. Just last year we have shifted over here, so for me presently one of my biggest achievements would be to get the studio.
Alright, so that's Sonam's story. In fact, she's here with us also today and she has a question, I believe. Go ahead, Sonam.
I'm a fashion designer and I would like to have my own flagship stores in the metros and mini metros of India. And I've set myself a goal of 5 to 6 years for me to have this entire setup done. So how could I, use my profits to invest in a particular way to realize my dream?
So currently what are you doing with your profits?
Currently, I'm putting them back into my business, reinvesting them back into my business.
So one thing that you need to do is take that money out of business and deploy in a manner where it keeps growing. Invariably, what we have seen with entrepreneurs is they keep deploying it back again, business. Business grows, they feel great, but when they have to do something beyond business, there is no liquidity because all money is plowed back. So the first step is that now you're looking at about 5 years and 6 years kind of horizon. Keep taking it out and then invest in, now what are the asset classes that you can look at? Depending on the money that we are talking about. If you're talking about large amount of money, actually start buying real estate slowly, because that's what you want to do. But if you're not talking about amount, the corpus which can help you buy, then look into equity and gold as asset classes, because these asset classes will grow at a rate which is higher than inflation. Now, where would you deploy? One way is if you are kind of clued on as to how you deal in equity market or gold, buy it directly. If you're not comfortable, then go to mutual fund. If you can keep parking amount on regular basis, if it's on monthly, great, but I know business inflows may not be on monthly. If you can do it on quarterly or even 6 monthly basis and start creating that corpus, and then at a point of time when you want to buy it, liquidating mutual fund is fairly easy. You get your money back within 3 to 5 working days on a higher side. Liquidate that money and use it.
See, Sumaira, you may find me a little contradicting with Gaurav also, because since she has a dream of, expanding in metros and mini metros in next 4 to 5 years. So obviously my advice will be that she will be forced to plow back the entire money, whatever she earns from her business, into her business again. Because you can really plan your requirements for maybe 15 years down the line, 20 years down the line, after 5 years, because you have a very short span of 5 to 6 years. And you have dream of, I presume that you must be having a target of at least starting 10 stores. So in fact, if for that I'll give you a combination. Maybe 1 store should be owned, 3 stores should be on the lease, on the rental. Because you need to grow your income, but you need to increase your assets, investments also. So for 5 years, I will advise you as a financial advisor, or to deploy your entire money into your own business. Look for creating the other asset classes, maybe like mutual funds, maybe like investments in the gold and jewelry, maybe in the stocks and all that 5 years down the line, because you have the goal and you have the timeline of only 5 years to grow and expand, because you have the opportunity also. 5 years down the line you may have competition, you may not be able to continue with the same pace, with the same margin. So I'll advise you to focus first 5 years totally on your own business, with a combination of 1 to 3 in expanding the store. So that gives you having created investments into the real estates as well.